Come test drive the 2007 Crossfire. The Chrysler Crossfire combines German engineering and American style. Available as either a coupe or roadster, the Crossfire is an attractive, smart sports car with a powerful engine and great handling. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, dual note horn, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive, traction control, rear window defroster, keyless entry, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.